Okay, so here's a quick look at the Enster 2K security camera for outdoor and indoor use. Now, this security camera actually features two built-in cameras, a static camera on the top, and then a 360-degree camera on the bottom. Now you can view both angles simultaneously from within the app, which has tons of features, such as human detection, auto tracking, and color night vision, as well as some more features that I'll show you in a moment. In the box, you get a security sticker, instruction manual, mounting screws and anchors, the Enster security camera, and your power adapter. Now, here's the thing. Installation is a breeze. Just find where you want to install it, screw it in, and set. But there's one thing that I found a bit of a challenge. As you can see, this is the length of the power adapter. So your options of where you're going to mount this may be limited, especially when it comes to outside. Yeah, you can use an extension cord for higher areas, but when it comes to the outside, you might be confined to your nearest outlet and the challenges that comes with that. And of course, the height is going to be determined by the AC adapter or the extension cord. Outside of that, everything else just flows. Just connect your device from the app and connect. You can either choose to connect either through Wi-Fi or Ethernet, so keep that in mind. Once you're connected, you can see how you have access to your two simultaneous cameras. You also have a microphone option where you can speak into your phone and the camera communicates with those in earshot. Here, take a listen.
Okay, this is what the intercom speaker on the Enster 360 camera sounds like. It's a very loud and full microphone, so yeah. Definitely enough to actually get the attention of people who may be close by or to maybe ward off uninvited guests.
On the opposite of that, you can listen in with the built-in microphone of the camera. Take a listen.
Okay, so here's a test of the microphone on the Enster 360 camera. From my test, it's a very sensitive microphone, so it's going to pick up a lot what's happening and it's being picked up on the camera from my phone. Yeah, so there's the microphone of the Enster 360 camera.
You can take snapshots, record video, and change the resolution of your video feed. Below that, you can set strobe light and alarm settings, PTZ control to manually control your camera. You can enable or disable motion tracking, view your most monitored positions, and set key points to create a tour of those key points. And last, an SD card album, so you can save all your constant recorded videos, your manual recorded videos, all directly to your SD card. You can also save these directly to your phone as well. You do get other options, like sharing the feed with your family, receiving notifications, and also deeper settings to set everything just the way you like. Overall, the Enster 2K security camera is an excellent camera. Solid 2K image for a security camera, two simultaneous cameras where one is static and the other is 360, motion tracking, and very useful app features all make this a very attractive and easy to get into security camera. But like I mentioned before, the power adapter may make it limited depending on where you want to set this up. All right, hope this helps you out. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below. Hey guys, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.